Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2019 GLE 43 AMG Coupe. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 3-liter V6 bi-turbo with 385 horsepower and 384 pounds of torque. This one has the AMG Night package with black accents on the exterior, 21-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels, brushed aluminum running boards, bi-turbo 4MATIC badging on the fender, black MB text interior with an anthracite poplar wood trim, panorama sunroof, rear spoiler, AMG GLE 43 badging, power liftgate, clean set of all-season floor mats, 60/40 fold-down rear seats, cargo cover, premium 3 package with driver's assistance package with active lane assist, active blind spot assists, active parking assists, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, AMG illuminated door sill, heated steering wheel, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, navigation, parking assistance package with a surround view backup camera with sensors, hard keys for a media display, heated and cooled seats, dual climate controls, heated and cooled cup holders, dynamic selects for different driving patterns, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center. This GLE Coupe has 30,404 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 43 Coupe, visit us at feldmanimports.com.